Hello everyone, thank you for watching this video. This video will introduce one of the greatest physicists through the whole human history, Albert Einstein, and discuss how did Einstein influence the world. I will start from following topics. First, who is Einstein? Secondly, what is his achievement? Then I will explain why he is famous, and finally I will talk about how did he influence the world. First of all, I will introduce who is Einstein. According to Einstein's biographical posted by the Nobel Foundation, he was born in 1879 in Germany and graduated from the Swiss Federal Polytechnic School in 1901. Then he moved to America in 1933, and he was appointed the professor of theoretical physics at Princeton. He was retired in 1945 and died in 1955 in America. During Einstein's life, he discovered many theories that subverted classic physics theory. He won the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1921 for the explanation of the law of the photoelectric effect. The law of the photoelectric effect states that when some materials are irradiated by electromagnetic wave with particular frequency, the electrons in that material will be stimulated and form current, which means light produces electricity. This is the model of Einstein's most famous theory, the theory of relativity. He believes things with huge mass such as a planet or a star will cause the bending of the space. He also thought the greater mass will cause the greater bending, and that's why the moon is revolving around the earth, while the earth revolving around the sun. This bending shows how the gravity works, which is different from Newton's theory. Because of Einstein's subversive theories, he brought a comprehensive innovation to science and physics and the world in the 20th century. He discovered the mass-energy equation, which is known as energy equals mass times the square of that speed. And this is the key to nuclear power and the atomic bomb, which means he motivated the end of World War II indirectly. The discovery of the theory of relativity brings scientists from classic physics to a new world, and will make them keep studying it in following decades or centuries. There is another strong evidence to prove Einstein's influence is that the magazine 100 People of the 20th century, published by Times in 1999, chose Einstein as the cover. He is a symbol of genius, and his theory is still confusing people. I believe that his influence will still continue till the world can understand him completely.